Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you guys are good. I am here to do a VR for Craft With Me. She's a newer channel. She's trying to get her channel built up. She's about 60 subbies in, and she is doing a 50 subby giveaway challenge. And what she asked for was a VR, a memory dex, or an ATC card. This afternoon, I went live and I worked on them. So I'm here to do her VR for her, show the memory dex cards or the ATC cards. I plan on sending her one of each. You don't get no more extra points if you send two. But these are the two I made this afternoon. I still have to put my information. I'm not quite finished because I usually decorate a little bit on the back, so I'll probably do that as I write my information. But there are the two I did. I haven't figured out which one I'm going to be sending her. These are the ATC cards I did. Look like that. And like I said, I have to finish the backs. So I will have Craft With Me's information linked in the description box below. So please go over, give her some YouTube love. We are a crafting community. Let's lift each other's spirits and channels up. Her name is Gloria. And I will have all her information linked in the description box below. And if you gotta go over, just say, hey, Tina's Crafty Life sent me over. I don't get anything extra for sending anybody over there. But just let her know where you came from. I think that's always good to do. As always, everybody, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.